This is really nice. I love the shades. I'm excited. I like this. And I love the huge mirror. That was also a plus for me. I'm so happy. This is Hey, Erica here. So, I just got the Boxycharm BoxyLuxe box in the mail. Couldn't wait to unbox it for y'all. So I am gonna put my makeup on real quick. Or my makeup's already on, sorry. I didn't touch it up from this morning, but I figured I'd put on some lips, you know? And I did get these in 2 other Boxycharm boxes. Ofra, the branding's come off now. And Han, my favorite C's. I was gonna film on the Canon, but me and the Canon had a really bad disagreement last weekend. And I just really didn't want to take stuff off my memory card. So, I'm just gonna get into it. Have my knife right here. And the box unopened. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. If you're a SpongeBob fan or Nickelodeon fan, or you lived through the early 2000s, you should know the SpongeBob I'm ready thing. Anyway, I'm so excited. I'm gonna try my best to like hold it up here so y'all can see, because that was the oh no, I was gonna tilt this down, because that was the mishap I had. Let's see. If I just scoot it back a little bit and then down. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, plan A. I have to. I really do love the Canon, but I just can't get it to like autofocus or whatever. The one thing I wanted out of the whole box, Park Avenue by Tarte. If you go to my blog, blackgirlish.com, I talk about Tarte so much. This is kind of exciting. So, it's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I mean, I know you're probably thinking, okay, you haven't seen it at Sephora. Look, I try to stay away from that place. Okay? Let me do me. Anyways, look at the foil on this thing. Or the engraving. It's like 3D. Park Avenue Princess. It's so cute. I don't know if I called it Park Place. You can tell I like Monopoly. Anyway. Okay, great. It is not broken. I'm happy. I'm so excited. And I'm definitely an Anastasia Beverly Hills girl. So this is going to be new for me to try another palette. Like, don't get me wrong. Let me not be so bougie. When I first started doing highlighting contour, I used hair store highlighting contour, okay? So don't think I'm like a highlighting contour snob or a palette snob. But I'm excited to try this. This is the one reason I purchased the box. Because I know this is like 40-something bucks. And I'll say all the prices at the end today. So see, Tarte was smart. They put a little cardboard thing. I guess so it doesn't move, so it doesn't break. That's that. And as always, Boxycharm has all of the prices and stuff in this handy dandy huge little pamphlet thing, but I don't want to spoil the fun, so I'm not gonna open it yet. So that was the first thing. Okay, so Alamar lashes, or not lashes, brushes. I can't talk today. This is the brand by the girl. Y'all know who she is. I'm not gonna. Okay, so that's second item. Item number 3, the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. Let me put this box down so I can make sure this isn't broken. Okay, good. Everything's intact. Now down here, this was kind of smeared, but hey, I'm okay with that. Everything else is pretty much intact, so we're cool. We're copacetic. And it has a mirror. That's nice. Item number 4. Laura Geller, New York. Never really heard of this. I think this will be a nice shade though, because it kind of looks like other... Oh, this is kind of cool. It's got a marble thing going on. Might have a little bit of highlight mixed in there. That's nice. Okay, Charmer Tote. What is this? What is that? What is this? Okay. Totes a Charmer. Oh, that's cute. Little swag. I can use this when I go to Walmart or Whole Foods. I don't go to Whole Foods like that. But anyways, I can use this when I don't want to use plastic. That's cute. I wasn't expecting that. And disclaimer, I didn't watch anyone else's unboxing. I didn't want to ruin my fun because everyone's box is different. So, Sunset Glow Oil by Sol Hanera. Now, the thing is... Oh, it's shimmer. I was about to say, now you know I don't need no tan. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. I don't need any type of tan. I barely need bronze on a good day. And if y'all have watched my unboxings, I like to smell stuff. I don't want to spill this. Let's just see what it smells like. Ooh, that smells good. Just like their body butter. This smells good. That's cool. It's going into winter, so I don't know how much shimmer I need. Or fall and winter, so I don't know how much shimmer I need, but this is nice. Okay. This is another item I was excited about. So, I'm a little bit obsessed with brushes, and this is another Luxie brush. This is a part of their newer line they just came out with. And it's a foundation brush. It's very soft. I like this. I love the rose gold and black. I like this. Let's see what else we've got. We've got Violet Voss Liquid Lipstick. Never heard of that brand. Okay, let me open it. It's really cute packaging. And I think we're up to item, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is item 7. This is the color Muse. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, I can work with that. Okay. At first I was really scared. I was like, that's going to be way too light. But this is nice. Let's see what it smells like. It doesn't really smell butterscotchy. It has like a... It doesn't really have a scent like the other lip glosses. But anyways, that's nice. This is cute. I've kind of needed one of these. This is by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. It says Make a Clean Sweep. I've been needing one of these because when I do my makeup, I never have my hair out of my face. So this is really freaking cute. And it'll keep the hair out of my face. I think I should wear this the rest of the unboxing. Oh, sorry, I'm not used to this camera being like opposite. This is so cute. Bella!
Hi.
Isn't this cute?
Oh yeah.
Don't I look like Lova Bella?
Oh yeah.
Say hi!
Hi. Maybe put on Lova Bella.
Death Valley Dry Shampoo. And now you know I'm going to see what this right here smells like. Probably shouldn't try this at home. Well, we are at home, but probably shouldn't try it like this, but hey. Oh, that smells good. Spray it one more time, just make sure. Does it have a fucking smell? I'm gonna have to edit that out. I smell something, but it's like not very. Oh, that smells nice. Okay, it does smell good. After spraying it on my arm. Okay. So that was item number 8. Item number 9. This is co-created with YouTuber Nicole Concilio. Concilio. I don't know what her name is, okay? This must be some sort of mist. I know this is primer. This hydrating 3-in-1 face primer preps, sets, and refreshes both your makeup and mood. Its mist on a relaxing coconut scent is basically vacay vibes in a bottle. So you know I'm gonna smell this. Okay. Ow! Just cut myself on the packaging. That does smell good. Oh, it's kind of burning my eyes. But yeah, that's cool. By Smashbox. Okay. That's cool. I'm putting this back in the box. I don't know why I put them back in the box. I'm going to take them right back out. But anyway. And last but not least, item number 10/11. If you include the bag, this is item number 11. This is Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. This is another item I did want because my 30th birthday is this weekend and I am self-conscious about getting wrinkles. So I am glad that this has appeared. Okay.
You want me to get the Barbie doll?
Hold on just a second.
Okay.
Oh, y'all can't smell it. Smell that, Bella. Come here. Come get in the screen so they can see. Smell?
Oh, it smells good.
It smells like lemon.
Did you my doll, Leo?
It has some presser thing on the top. I don't know what that's supposed to do. Let me not break this product. I don't know what that's supposed to do for real.
Can you help me get the bar doll? Mommy, can you help
Or maybe
me
it's
get
supposed
the
to
bar
dispense
doll?
from the top. I don't know. Have to look at a tutorial.
Mommy, can you help me get the bar doll?
So Bella has brought her Barbie to say hello, her nurse Barbie. Isn't this precious? Here, yeah.
That's nice.
Barbies
are hard to cut.
Yes, Barbies are hard to cut.
The head is carved. The head.
Ow.
You okay? Wow. There it is.
You're welcome, baby. Okay, so now for the price. Okay, and that was the whole BoxyLuxe for September box. I'm wearing one of the items because it was cute. To me, it was cute. Okay, so all the items as per usual. Wildflower, BoxyLuxe, Tarte, Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. This retails for $45. This was one of the main reasons I wanted this box. Laura Geller, $28. Pretty Vulgar, $35. Death Valley Dry Shampoo, $17. The Photo Finish Primer Water by Smashbox is $32. I guess I should take these out of the box because it kind of looks ugly in the box. So this is $32. This is Sol de Janeiro. Don't make fun of me for butchering the name, okay? I bet you can't pronounce it either. Anyways, $35. Violet Voss. Take this out of the box too. Violet Voss is $12. Luxe Foundation Airbrush Foundation Brush, $38. Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. And at first when I saw that it said Stem Cellular, I was like, but then I realized, okay, they got it from plants. It's all good. Wow, this is $70. Okay. Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set, $18. And the last thing, which I have on, the Dolly Bow makeup headband is $4.99. And this is just something cute. You know, when, especially if I put my makeup on first before I put on my wig or hair extensions. I have my natural hair out. Having this to cover that while I put my face on, this is kind of cool. Something I've needed for a while. Especially, you don't want to ruin your scarves. Like, my scarves are really pretty, the ones I wrap my hair with, and I don't want to ruin it with makeup. So this is cool. I like this. And I love the huge mirror. That was also a plus for me. I'm so happy. This is like I said, this was one of the main things I wanted in this box. So, and not to make this such a long unboxing, but it was like a time, and I'm pretty sure you've heard from other YouTubers, it was a time, like, to get signed up with BoxyLuxe, BoxyLuxe that day. So to finally see the products here 11 days later is really cool, because it's like, I wanted this so bad. Like, I just kept logging in, refreshing. And then I got the email that I was on the wait list, and I was pissed. But then a few hours later, I got the email that, oh, you did get BoxyLuxe, and I was happy. But I felt bad because, like, one of my homegirls, she'd been with BoxyLuxe for years, and she really, really loves makeup. She didn't get this box. And, like, I tried to talk to her about it, and she, like, didn't want to talk about it. And I was like, oh, well, dang. But, yeah. I am in love. I'm in love with this. At least this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Let me know in the comments below if you like your Boxycharm box or the BoxyLuxe, and if you're going to keep it for until December, if you're going to drop it. Like, tell me what your favorite thing was in the September box. But yeah, thanks. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Bye. I usually get Kiss or Ardell and Dell lashes, but these are Baddington lashes, and they're really cute. I like them. Boxycharm.